Here at the church. Here at the church again.
0 feet altitude, 3 feet distance, 9 miles per hour, 98% battery.
And I'm going to fly my mission back over to the park. One I've run several times. Everybody's used to, everybody knows. We got some storms coming in, I believe, on the horizon out there. Yeah, see all. You can't see the South Mall Tower.
400 feet altitude, 176 feet distance, 27 miles per hour.
So that'll be here pretty quick.
93% battery.
Feel a little breeze, not too bad. Oh shit, it's starting to rain already on film. Raindrop. May have to cut this short if it's really going to rain that quick. Yeah, I see a little rain on the car. Weather said it wasn't supposed to start raining until about 6.
399 feet altitude, 2,237 feet distance, 26 miles per hour, 89% battery. Warning, disconnected.
Yeah, that always happens right here. It doesn't look like it should be raining, but it is sprinkling very lightly. I think this is just a little quickie. It's only 20 after 6 too. It's not supposed to start raining until 7. But could be coming a little sooner. I feel a slight breeze, but I do not see any trees moving. This little bit of rain won't harm the drone. Actually, I got caught once in a downpour. And it didn't hurt the drone. I got wet. I had it up to about 700-800 feet back when I was really didn't know what I was doing. I didn't care how I flew, and like that's how high I can go today. You know, it's like, well, you really can't see anything when you're up that high. Everything looks just like looking out an airplane window. You can't see anything on the ground. So it's kind of, it's cool a couple of times, but after a while you're like, nah, this ain't a good idea. I got my signal back.
Warning, disconnected.
It's disconnected. It's
altitude,
not disconnected.
1,574 feet distance, 26 miles per hour, 73% battery.
Good numbers. it's just about stopped now. It was just a passing spritzel.
(399 feet altitude, 1,578 feet distance, 27 miles per hour, 68% battery).
By the time I did get caught in the rain, it was at about 700-800 feet. And it literally seemed like it took forever for it to come back down, because they do ascend really slow. And I'm like, oh my God, you know, it's like coming slowly and slowly, and it starts raining harder and harder and harder. And I had to snatch the drone out of the air because of where I was. I was over by the creek near a bridge, and I had no place to land. So I grabbed it, and then by the time I put it in the case, and I really got rained on when I was walking back home across the street. It poured. I literally took my clothes off at the back door, threw them right in the washing machine. I was drenched, saturated.
(399 feet altitude, 3,853 feet distance, 27 miles per hour, 64% battery).
Looking pretty stormy up there. %61 battery. Very nice numbers. I think if the rain holds off, I'm going to run the mission to the cemetery and back over Amazon.
399 feet altitude, 4,038 feet distance, 23 miles per hour, 58% battery.
There's some shaking there. Still got to go to the police station to get that paper signed
feet altitude,
for the headlights.
2,993 feet distance, 21 miles per hour,
Blah, 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 blah.
52% battery.
Yeah, I got a ticket the other night for my headlight was out. I didn't know it, by a trooper. So I fixed it the next day. And then all I need to do is go to a police station and have a cop sign it saying it's fixed and send the ticket back and plead not guilty. That's what the trooper told me to do. And I go knocking on the door over here at the police station, which is right there in the middle, the brown building with the white roof. And nobody answered the door. All right. It was after hours though. It was like around 7 o'clock.
(399 feet altitude, 1,117 feet distance, 23 miles per hour, 44% battery).
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do another flight because it's starting to come down a little harder. It's gonna keep raining, so it's almost back. I don't want to be stuck up there in the heavy rain and wind's picking up.
.400 feet altitude, 1,802 feet distance, 25 miles per hour.
Come back now.
37% battery.
See, here it comes. The rain right there. So I'll play it safe. Take over and scoot over to the tower.
Mission ended.
Use my battery up.
400 feet altitude, 128 feet distance, 40 miles per hour, 32% battery.
Now it's actually stopping again.
.399 feet altitude, 2,651 feet distance, 4 miles per hour, 26% battery. Warning, aircraft battery at 25%.
I'm gonna come home in a sec. I'd like to be able to plot a mission to get down there, just to look down a little lower on the ground, because I can't go any further down, because I lose signal. I don't know, it stopped raining, but it's getting really dark over there.
Warning, aircraft battery at 23%.
We'll see when it lands.
.303 feet altitude, 1,696 feet distance, 22 miles per hour, 21% battery.
The problem is that the Google map that you plot the missions on,
Warning, aircraft battery at 20%.
the picture isn't directly overhead, so you could put, you know, the GPS location next to the tower where you want to go down, but you can't tell specifically where that is, because you could actually be sliding down and hit the tower going down, or go into a tree, because it's a real narrow area. So, and you don't have the right perspective. You're not looking at it from directly above. You're looking at it from, you know, like maybe a 70, 80 degree angle, I'd say.
Aircraft battery at 16%.
So that isn't a good thing. Yeah, right over my head. It's coming down now.
.302 feet altitude, 2 feet distance, 4 miles per hour, 14% battery.
Yeah, there's rain out there, and I was going to fly out that way. So I'm going to pass. One flight's enough for today.
Aircraft battery at 13%.
It would be ill-advised.
Warning, aircraft battery at 10%. Altitude, 11 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 8% battery.
Yeah, there's some pretty nasty lines coming in right now. It's gonna start raining very shortly. So, did I see lightning? I could have saw some lightning.
Warning,
Anyways, that was a nice
aircraft
flight.
battery at 8%.
Let's get out of here before the weather hits and changes. Do you know about